For today's lesson, we'll be focusing in on adjectives in the parts of speech. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a part of speech which identifies, describes, or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Some adjectives we have over here are it's slow, it's big, he's handsome, she's beautiful, she's ugly, it's fast, it's heavy, he's hungry. So, are there different kinds of adjectives? Yes, there are different kinds of adjectives. There are 5 different kinds of adjectives. We have descriptive adjectives, adjectives of number or adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. So, descriptive adjectives. They're used to modify nouns or pronouns. They say something about the quality or the kind of noun or pronoun they're referring to. The ugly red chair sat in the corner. Ugly and red are descriptive adjectives. They're being used to describe the chair that we have right here. Up next, we have adjectives of number or adjectives of quantity. They describe the quantity of something. They answer the question, how many or how much. Right here, she ate 1 slice of pizza. 1 would be the adjective of number because it's describing the slice of pizza, or at least how many slices of pizza she ate. Up next, we have demonstrative adjectives. It describes which noun or pronoun you're referring to. They point out pronouns and nouns and always come before the word they're referring to. The first demonstrative adjective we have is this. It's used to refer to a singular noun that's close to you. The next one we have is that. It's used to refer to a singular noun far from you. These is the next one we have. It's used to refer to a plural noun close to you. And the last one we have is those. It's used to refer to a plural noun far from you. Right here we have she sits at this desk. This is a demonstrative adjective describing the desk. It's the desk right here. It's close to her. Next, we have possessive adjectives. They show possession. They describe to whom a thing belongs. Possessive adjectives always come before the noun. Some of the possessive adjectives are my, as in belonging to me, his, belonging to him, her, belonging to her, their, belonging to them, your, belonging to you, or our, belonging to us. This is my puppy. My would be the possessive adjective because it shows possession of the puppy. This is my puppy. And lastly, we have interrogative adjectives. They ask a question. These adjectives are always followed by nouns or pronouns and are used to form questions. So, we have which. It asks us to make a choice between options. What. It asks to make a choice in general. And whose. Asks who something belongs to. Which movie should we go see? Which is asking us to make a choice between these 3 movies. That's the interrogative adjective. Now I'd like you to try this. I'd like you to be able to identify adjectives. So on your own, just read these sentences and try to figure out which are the adjectives in these sentences. We have the yummy cheese pizza is from Sal's. The dog had 3 puppies. I almost tripped over those shoes. My sister is 4. Whose laptop is that? I'd like you to come to class, be prepared to be able to identify which are the adjectives and be able to write your own sentence in class with adjectives in the sentence and be able to identify it and have your partner identify it as well.